What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This video that I'm making right now has been requested by many people. A lot of people have asked me before, how do you get burbles in a V6? Well, the answer is, get a tune. No, I'm just kidding. There's no tune at all, no check engine light. So, of course, obviously you need an exhaust system or else your car won't burble at all. Basically, I removed my mid mufflers. I put Flowmaster Super 10s, dual in, dual out. I removed my rear mufflers and I put 5-inch exhaust tips. Other than that, I have an intake, but before the intake, my car was burbling already. Now, the burble's not crazy loud, like obnoxiously loud. It does it only around 2,000 RPMs right here. You can still hear it, but if I do it inside the car while recording, you can't really hear it. You gotta hear it in person, but outside, you definitely notice it. Like, I could be at the end of the street and you can still hear me burbling. Now, I'm gonna give you guys an example. I don't know if you guys will hear it though. This works best in manual mode, as you can see, in second and third gear. Third gear is the sweet spot. So, I'm gonna speed up, upshift. Look, I'm gonna hold it right here and let go. So the whole time you're just playing with the RPMs. So you could hold it at 2,000 RPMs in second gear and you can hear it. You see? Or if not, you could go to third gear and downshift into second. Now, I don't know if my camera audio is really picking that up, but you can hear it. I'm gonna set up my phone on the outside so you guys can hear it better. All right, give me a second. Alright guys, hopefully the camera audio picked up the little flybys I was doing, the little burbles, because you know how camera audio be trash, so it really doesn't pick that up. If you guys have any other suggestions for a future video, please let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, that's basically it guys. Just to recap, only at 2,000 RPMs, it works in second and third gear. That's where it be the loudest. And you just hit the throttle in that little area. You just keep playing with the throttle until it hits 2,000 RPMs. You just hold it there for a second, you let off the throttle. As soon as you let off, just let the car do its thing. It's gonna do it all by itself. I don't have to do anything else. I slow down sometimes with my brakes, so the RPMs drop a little faster, and that helps the burbles activate. But other than that guys, yeah, just let me know for any future videos. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and let me know. See ya.